Hello once again, everybody, and welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, a noodle salad made with rice noodles, bean sprouts, firm tofu, and garnish. So what you need is everything you see here. This is gluten-free and also a vegan dish. So the first step is to soak the rice noodles for about 5 to 10 minutes while they're soaking. Then she's going to cut her firm tofu into slices as you can see here. And she adds a little salt before she goes to her frying pan, where she's just going to brown these up and make them nice and crispy on the outside. So she'll just set her tofu pieces aside. They're nicely browned for draining. And then in the meantime, she's got garlic and also ginger, which she'll fry up here. Now in a small saucepan, she's got about a cup of water, a couple tablespoons of sugar, a bit of salt, and she's going to start to heat this up. So she dissolves the salt in the sugar, and then she'll start adding her other ingredients, mushroom sauce. Next, a bit of chili sauce. Of course, like many Asian dishes, this is a unique balance of sweet, sour, and spicy. So now she's got the sweet and spicy in there, and she'll add a bit of vinegar to give it a sour touch. Of course, Nock will be tasting this along the way to see how it's coming along, and she'll want a little more spice, so she's going to add some chili powder as well. And when she adds the chili powder, then she turns off the heat and just let this one sit, let the flavors combine in there. She's boiling some water in another pot because she's going to blanch her bean sprouts. And after she just lightly blanches them, then she's going to put them directly into ice water to keep them crispy and to conserve the color. And next, she's going to do the same with her enoki mushrooms. Some people avoid eating these raw. You can eat them raw if you clean them very well, but they're kind of hard to clean, so most people tend to cook them. She's just going to blanch them quickly, and then also she's going to put them in ice water to keep them crispy. These have a very unique texture. Okay, great. So the sprouts and the mushrooms are ready, and all that's left to do really is to cook the rice noodles. These are the same noodles that you would use for pad thai, but this is a cold salad. So she just cooks until tender, maybe 5 minutes, and then she just rinses under the faucet. And she's ready to make a plate of noodles. So she'll add a little bit of the mushrooms first. Then she's going to add some of her garlic and chili. Some people in the West don't like to cook the garlic and chili so much because it tends to get a little bitter. So you can cook it a little bit less if you don't like that bitter taste. And she'll use some of her sauce for flavoring, sweet, spicy, sour. Toss it all together. So she'll get it on a plate now and then add some of her tofu slices and the bean sprouts, a little bit of green onion as an option if you want, a little bit of culantro or parsley. Finish it off with a little bit of lemon juice, lime if you prefer. This is a very simple and refreshing dish. We hope that you'll try this one at home. Remember, it's vegan and it's also gluten-free. And thanks a lot for watching the video today. Bon appetit!